What's up, my little crypto heads, opportunity seekers, passive income chasers, and the like? Welcome aboard. Hey, we're going to look at Crest Token today. Going to go through the white paper real quick, talk a little bit about it, and see what we think. Why am I getting into this? Well, they got their team. Everything's showing. CEO is showing. Got a good idea. They're not trying to say they have a bunch of stuff they don't have. They are looking to build some stuff. And they go through that. They're very above board. They show everything that's going on. And lately, things that don't have the team and don't have a strong CEO who is out front kind of seem to fizzle away. The ones with the CEOs out front, strong, active with the community, God, that is important. Those are the ones that seem to be sticking around. And I know it's got to be tough to be active with the community because these fudding crypto crazies, they make it tough on those guys. You go read through these Telegram chats, those admins have, it's not the easiest thing to do to deal with a bunch of panic-stricken, frenzied crypto investors. A lot of these crypto investors have no experience. They don't understand the gamble of the whole thing. I saw a statistic the other day that showed if you had invested in every single ICO in 2018, everyone, even though there's like an 80% for failure rate, you still would have beat the S&P. You still would have beat the S&P by like multiple folds. So it's even into every single ICO. You would have been, I can't remember what it was. I have to find that statistic. But it was like, you're still up. You're up like 13% over the year, and S&P is not. So I have to find that exact statistic and use it to cudgel the system over the head. But anyway, here we go. Crest Token, community-centric token that pays daily passive income. About Crest DigiAd platform. The Crest DigiAd platform is a community-centric online marketing and digital advertising platform designed to let you earn daily passive income in cryptocurrency by allocating Crest utility tokens to run several marketing and advertising campaigns. And here you got a cool little blockchain-looking thing, one-click application. They got cloud data storage, authentication protocol, external integration, gateway payment, and private secure, all centered around the Crest DigiAd platform. Online marketing and digital advertising industry. The digital advertising and online marketing industry have grown to become one of the most important forms of marketing and advertising. Global digital ad spending last year reached over $204 billion and is expected to reach beyond $330 billion by 2020. Alphabet Inc., Google's parent company, alone account for over 17% of the market. That's $34 billion in 2017. Promoters of Crest Token have decades of experience and have generated substantial revenue in the online marketing industry for the last 10 years. Combining the Crest Token with an established industry, online marketing, gives stability and capital protection to our community members within this volatility-prone cryptocurrency space. Why bother with Crest Token? Millions explore the idea of generating passive income through online marketing and digital advertising, but do not have the skills or resources, especially time, to select and actively promote campaigns that can generate substantial income. Crest will combine the power of cryptocurrency and AI with the $300 billion online marketing and digital advertising industry. Why Crest Token? Continued. Using our extensive industry knowledge, we develop a robust, user-friendly DigiAd campaign platform that runs on independent ad servers, equipped with self-learning algorithms. These intelligent servers uniquely identify several data points using real-time, up-to-date website tracking and historical data on devices to determine whether ads to serve a particular consumer at a specific time. Some of the industries we will focus on are retail, technology, gaming, financial services, automotive, and health and beauty. Retail is an industry. How Crest platform works. External exchanges, CoinMarketCap, others. Yeah, pretty cool little thing. Tracking information is fed to third party via the API keys. goes through their back end, internal exchange, staking, ad campaigns, and all this stuff. You got machine learning, ad server. Let's move from there. Token information. Our token is an ERC20 token that will be issued via smart contract. Ethereum and Bitcoin will be accepted during the ICO. 4% will go to Bounty Reserve. 8% will go to pre-sale. 51.2% will be in the main ICO, while 36.80% will be used to pay for staking and for a reserve. ICO funds distribution. 15% for the platform development, 5% for bounty token buyback, 25% stability reserve, 20% marketing and promotion. Well, you're a marketing company, so 20% initial digi ad campaign, 15% to the development team. Price is 25 cents per token with a minimum max token purchase of 100 to 10,000. This will allow our early supporters to partake at the lowest price possible. 100% of the raise fund will go towards promoting the ICO and kick off full platform development. Main ICO sale. Tokens will be sold in 16 rounds of 400,000 tokens per round. Price will start at 35 cents and increase by 10 cents per round with the last price of $1.85. Token purchase limit will range between 20 to 1,500 CSTT at different rounds during the ICO. Now, with how slow ICOs have been selling out these days, because in a down market, a lot of people want to invest in projects that are proven, that are coiled up, ready to jump, things that have already reached substantial all-time highs, or and are quite a bit down from that. Investing in that now makes sense. So a lot of people are not investing in ICOs. ICOs are taking a little while. So by putting in this ICO, it might take you a little bit, but might be really well worth it in the end. I'm going to put in an initial $100 and get me an initial position. When this thing comes out, I will certainly be buying more. But to get into pre-sales of ICOs is, for me, that's something that I'm still looking to do. In the regular ICO rounds, I'm generally backing off from those because there's so many opportunities in crypto right now while the market is low. When the market is high, ICOs become a lot more popular because they're great buys and you can see great returns there. Anyway, here we go. They have a referral program. We have a generous and fair referral system for additional income. You earn 10% of the Digi Ad campaign capital from users you directly introduce to our platform. 2, Digi Ad campaign. This offers the highest investment returns. We generate profit for our members by allocating the dollar value of their Crest token to fund ad campaigns on our Digi Ad platform. Everything monetized was supposed to do. Depending on your initial ad spend purchase on our platform, you can earn between 1.15 and 2.25 daily, consistent for 89 to 179 days. Ad spend size. Here's your daily payouts from 1/100. You're getting up to 1.75%. Average monthly 43%. That's freaking killer. Hopefully this can really pay that out, and the advertising is a great business model to get this accomplished. Up to 1.9% for over 1,000, over 5,000 up to 2%, and 10,000 up to 2.25%. And then, of course, the days decrease the more that you put in. Your lock-in period is much shorter. Kindly note that our initial capital release is inclusive in the daily payout return. So there is no capital release at the end. So even though it says it's 1.75 and 1.9, and those seem really high, it's not really that, because your capital is included in that. So if you deduct that at the end from this, you can look at it how you want. Say you got this 1.75, and it actually pumped out 1.75 the whole time. On this 1%, that's 100 days breaking even. All the 70.75 would be extra profit. Or you could look at it as the first, few months the thing pays you your capital release back or pays you your profit up front, and the rest of the days are capital release. You can look at it however you want, but know that your capital release is included in these daily payouts. Internal exchange and trading. Buying and selling of CSTT tokens on the internal and external exchange. Due to the expected popularity of our platform and the value that will be created, we anticipate CSTT token to be trading around 100x ICO price within 12 months of full platform launch. Please be aware that Crest platform will not manipulate trading activities on our exchange. We're going to let that coin float. Crashes, it crashes. Maybe a good opportunity to buy some when it does, because I think they're going to be here for a good while, or these guys wouldn't all show their faces, right? So that being the case, when this thing finally does launch, and who knows how long it's going to take for this ICO to sell out, but getting a good initial position so that I'll be following along, that's kind of why I'm putting in that initial. Whether this is something you want to do, that's something you got to decide. Whether you're still getting into ICOs or not getting into ICOs, or like passive income opportunities, you got to make those own decisions in your life. This is something I'm into, but I really, going towards things that are showing their teams and all that, and these guys meet pretty much every criteria, and at this point, they're the only up and coming that does. The true value of Crest token at any particular time will be determined by market forces. Staking income. Staking allows early members to earn monthly dividends from the CSTT tokens. Staking can be canceled anytime. The tokens can be traded on internal exchange or used to fund a Digi ad campaign. Monthly dividend, June to November, 10%. I imagine this will all be adjusting since the ICO is pushed back a little bit. December to May, 4%, and then June onwards, just 2%. Bounty program. Our bounty program will allow users to earn free tokens and bonuses in several ways during and after the ICO. These include, but are not limited. First 1,000 supporters at pre-sale, that's already gone, and first 500 that buy at each ICO rounds will receive free tokens. Whitepaper translation, YouTube reviews, content creation, social media campaign, etc. Bugs identification. If you can identify a bug, they are paying for that. Weekly campaign raffle. Oh, well, that's interesting. Price stabilization via token burn. Buyback program. Once the internal exchange launches, we will attempt to buy back specific amounts of tokens per week in burn until the price stabilizes beyond $15 a token. A market cap of around 200 million will position Crest token to be in the top 100 coins on CoinMarketCap. And Coin Paprika, my favorite. Marketing and promotion investment. We will embark on a robust marketing campaign from the pre-sale phase all the way to the platform is fully functional and beyond. We will have allocated 20% of the ICO fund for purely marketing and promotion of the platform to give us more visibility and attract new members on a daily basis. We anticipate platform to grow to over 250,000 members within our first 90 to 100 days of the platform launching. Wowzer. Roadmap. I really like roadmaps. I like when people stick to their roadmaps. No one can 100% stay on a roadmap. It's impossible. It's like saying, hey, I'm going to drive from here to there. I'm going to drive across the country, and at exactly 10:05, I am going to arrive at this gas station. You can see how unrealistic that is. But you can throw it out there and say, hey, at approximately this time, we're going to be there. That's basically what a roadmap is. And they got it all laid out here. Internal exchange in September. Stage 2 plans begin, blah, 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 blah. How to participate in the ICO. Register or log into your Crest account. Follow the instructions outlined in the ICO dashboard. Deposit your ETH or BTC to the address provided. Receive your CSTT tokens. That's it. All done. You can put them in your ERC20 wallet, whatever you want. Business model, independent of cryptocurrency volatility. Fully developed platform at the close of the ICO. Daily communication via email and active social media platforms. No hold to your Bitcoin or Ethereum during or after the ICO. Lower and higher purchase cap range during ICO. Generous bounty program. Weekly token buyback and token burn. Clear and openness on ICO funds and allocation. Here's the future plans. We have a lot of plans for the immediate and long-term future of the Crest platform. Our initial focus is to establish a solid and profitable ad campaign platform with a very strong and vibrant community base. Once this is achieved, we will roll out our phase 2 plans, which includes development of internal ad network to accommodate third-party advertisers and publishers to run ads during CSTT tokens, using CSTT tokens. 2, promote hundreds of ad offers with total ad spend target exceeding 100 million within our first full year. Expand our exchange platform with the capability of trading CSTT tokens with 10 to 50 top cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap. 4, and this is the most important and most detailed, and much more. Haha. Team. Love the team. Love that they all got LinkedIn. This guy here, that's the lead CEO type. Yeah, I like when they're all out there. I like when you can go to LinkedIn, you can see them all, and that's what this little in is. You can click, you can go in there. My friend is a higher up at LinkedIn, and I'm not really all logged in there and got, I have a little account and I go and can go look around, but yeah, I might get more involved in that and how to use that in the crypto realm and maybe make a little video series about that. During and after the ICO, we expect our team to grow rapidly to include more online marketing experts, blockchain and web developers, data analysts, AI programmers, social media marketing experts. Here's a disclaimer: CSTT tokens are not intended to constitute securities in any jurisdiction. Our white paper does not constitute a prospectus or offer document of any sort. Our team is dedicated to delivering on every item listed in this white paper in line with our stated roadmap. However, due to the volatility of cryptocurrencies, we encourage our participants to make their own assessment and decision on information being provided. All right, guys, that's a quick look at the white paper. I'll be coming out with another video, and we'll go through the website and all the other stuff going on there. It's just a quick introduction. I'm sure you've seen this on some other channels. I think these guys have got it going on, and hopefully they can save this passive income boat that's got a couple holes in it. So anyway, like, subscribe, all that jazz. I got good hopes for these guys, and showing the team, doing all that. I'm going to be putting in an initial position, and I will make a video on that. All right, like, subscribe, all that jazz. Is crypto music. I'm going to catch y'all on the flip. Peace out, y'all. Out.